Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at National Vancouver Airport and we're just going to take a quick look at the executive aisle here. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and click the like button if you want to see more of these videos. And we're just going through the aisles here on a Friday, and we got a Kia and a Hyundai down at the end here. There were a couple Dodge Chargers, another of these Konas here, and we got a Ford Escape, and we got a VW here, and I think this is a RAV4 coming up here, and then they have a couple of these Dodge Charger GTs here, but they all have pretty high mileage on them. One of them is from Ontario, and another VW down at the end. And we got an Audi Q3, we got a Jeep, Grand Cherokee, we got a Camry over here. These are more of the reserve cars. We got a Wrangler. And they do actually have a couple Polestars out here. And we got a Jaguar SUV, Kia SUV, got another VW, RAV4, and this is kind of interesting, an Audi A6 Ford Edge. And it looks like they got a couple SUVs kind of parked at the end there. Durango, a couple larger Ford GMC SUVs. And we got some pickup trucks here. That's Avis in behind there with that Mercedes. A couple Dodge Ram pickup trucks. And Ford Edge. We got a minivan here. Somebody's looking for that Grand Cherokee down there. Another Wrangler. Got a smaller Kia, got a Ford Explorer, and a minivan, Mitsubishi, another Polestar, and a Kia. Alright, I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of this Audi A6, fairly new, not too many miles on it, but it's got the dual displays here. Virtual cockpit, very nice. And it's got the sunroof here. Let's quickly take a look at this Ford. So this looks like another car from a dealer here. And this is about the lowest trim I've ever seen in one. It's interesting. It almost looks like it has a carbon fiber trim, but it's got the base radio in there. And it's got about 8,000 kilometers on it. And there you go. And I'll just give you guys one final update here. 5-liter Mustang convertible just rolled out. Another 300s here. And I think everything pretty much is the same here, but yeah, quite a few cars for being sold out. Alright, I think that's it. Yeah. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and click that like button if you want to see more of these videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.